Hi everyone, my name is Lina and I make money online. Today I want to tell you how you can start doing it. In this video I will demonstrate how I make money on binary options and what it takes. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel and put a like under this video. That way you won't miss new videos that will help you make money. I also have a Telegram channel where I give free trading signals that I make money from. Let's move on to analyzing my trades. Open the list of indicators and choose Keltner channel, CCI and momentum. We need to customize our indicators. In the Keltner settings, we change the EMA period values to 16 and the ETA period value to 8. In the CCI indicator, we change the period value to 14. And in momentum indicator, the period should be changed to 8. I also prepared 6 trading pairs with profit percentage more than 80% in advance. Today's video, I decided to start with a balance of $150. Let's see how much I can earn starting with such a small balance. The first trade I decided to open on the first currency pair from my list. I noticed that the CCI indicator line started its fall from the upper position and almost reached the lower position. Also, the chart crossed the middle line of the Keltner indicator and started to tend to the lower boundary of this indicator. On the momentum indicator, we can see that the green candles have decreased and the red candles have started to grow. This is also a sign to open a down trade. Great, we got our first profit and we have almost $250 on our balance. I think I can make more than $2,500 today in just 20 minutes. And starting with $150, let's move on to the next pair. After our trade, I was jumping around the different currency pairs and noticed that the first pair on the list was starting to rise after a decline, and our indicators were telling us that it was not going to end. As the chart crossed the Keltner middle line and continued to go to the upper line. Also on the CCI indicator, the line has started to tend to the upper boundary. On the momentum indicator, you can see that the candlesticks went from the bottom of the indicator to the top. So I opened a $100 trade here. The chart was quite active going up and we were able to capitalize on it. Even after closing our trade, the chart continued its growth. This trade was definitely opened on time. Let's move on. There was a slight downturn here recently, but the chart reversed its direction and went up. I expect a U-shaped chart movement here. The chart is touching the upper Keltner line, and the CCI and momentum have headed up. The trade has been successful. The chart calmly went up and we took our money. We already have almost $700 on the balance, but I'm not going to stop and want to get more. I switched to the currency pair of euro and American dollar. It shows a bearish trend for about 10 minutes, but recently the chart has risen a little bit in price, but after that it is going to fall further. This is what all the indicators are telling me again. Also, the chart itself has started to fall and has reached the lower boundary of the Keltner. I opened a trade here for $650. I'm expected a profit of $590. Okay, well, the beginning was a bit tense, but the chart did go down and brought us a profit. Let's move on to the next example of using this strategy. Again, the chart has been in bearish trend for 10 minutes, but now the chart has moved up and touched the upper boundary of Keltner indicator. This was the first indication that the chart is continuing to rise. Also, the other two indicators show that there is a potential for growth here. The indicators, so these indicators started to rise upwards. So a trade of $1,000 was opened here. I was very scared a little more and I would lose all my won money. In the middle of the deal, the chart went under the line of our deal, but we were very lucky and at the end it went up. We already have more than $2,000 on the balance. It means that we have a reserve, so we are not afraid to continue opening trades for $1,000. Now we are on the pair of American dollar and Swiss franc. There was a noticeable bearish trend on this pair that lasted for about 7 minutes, but the chart went up a bit after the decline. I think there will be a decline again as our low indicators are pointing to that. The CCI line has headed down and is looking in the same direction, and the red candles on the momentum indicator have risen. The trade was very calm. The chart was just going down and was not going to get all the road. I think that after such a thing, we should rest a little bit. So the deal was the last one. Our balance is over $3,000. This is amazing because we started out with $150. I hope this strategy will help you make money too. Just now I tried to explain for you the way to use this strategy, but if you don't understand something, then be sure to write me in direct. I will help each of my subscribers. Link to my Telegram in the comments. And if you want to receive more signals for trading, then write I want to team in direct. Thanks and bye bye.